Welcome to the CaptionCall Mobile for iPhone app beta tester program. This new app allows you to receive captioned phone calls on your iPhone. Since it's not publicly available, there's a few extra steps to get it installed. This tutorial walks you through how to do this. Before you can install the CaptionCall mobile app, you'll need to open the email invite from TestFlight using your iPhone. The subject of the email will read CaptionCall LLC has invited you to test CaptionCall Mobile. Inside the message, tap on the blue View in TestFlight button. The link brings you to the TestFlight website that explains how to install the CaptionCall mobile app. It also provides a link to install TestFlight, a free app used to install iPhone beta apps. Write down the code provided in step 3. You will need to enter this code later in the process. Tap on the link that says Get TestFlight from the App Store. After the App Store opens, tap on Get to begin the installation process. After downloading, you will see a Welcome to TestFlight screen. Click Continue and accept the terms and conditions. Click on Allow to allow TestFlight to send you notifications. Click on Redeem. Enter the code you wrote down previously and click Redeem. You will now see CaptionCall Mobile as an available app in TestFlight. Click Open to launch the CaptionCall mobile app. Click OK to give the CaptionCall mobile app access to the microphone and contacts. You'll know the CaptionCall mobile beta app has been successfully installed when you see the login screen. Please see the app tutorial to learn more about how to log in and use the app. Thanks for evaluating this exciting new app from CaptionCall. We hope you enjoy. If you have any questions regarding this install, please call customer support at 877-557-2227.